Guys, it's Miss Roosevelt. Welcome to Colors of Lily. Today I am going to apply the Kiss Salon French toenails to my toenail. This is a very simple application that you can do in no time at all. All you need are the toenails, and you can pick the toenails up from the Dollar General store for like $2. Or you can go to like Walgreens or CVS and you may spend maybe $3-4 for the toenails. You will also need some nail glue, because it does not come with the glue. I already had the Nailing Ultra Quick nail glue that I'm going to use to apply the nails to my toenail. There are 24 nails in 12 different sizes in the pack. And if you look right here, they have the size of the nails on the little tabs for the toenails. And you will actually use that little tab to help you apply the toenail to your toenail, and then later break it off. So the first thing you need to do when you open the pack is select the size for each of your toenails. And the size for your toe, what you need to do is just stick the toenail on and just see what it looks like. And that looks to be a very good match for my toenail, so I'm going to use that one. And then you go through your entire foot, getting the exact size that you need. The different sizes for each of my toes, and you want to make sure that you go ahead and do this beforehand. That way you have everything on hand and you're not scrambling looking for your toenail while you're trying to do your application. I've already cleaned and buffed my toenails, so I'm just gonna get started. I'm going to take the first one. Take my glue. And on the packaging, it says that you want to go ahead and apply glue to the toenail. I'll make sure I put a good coat on the entire toenail. Because I want it to stay. And then you want to apply glue to your toenail. Got a nice good layer. Press the toenail on from the back down to the front and press down. Allow the glue to dry, and then that's when you're going to pull the tab here off. And the tab is very simple to pull off. You just push it back and forth. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do one more, and then I'm going to do the other ones off camera. So you want to put glue on the toenail. Glue on your nail. Press the nail on from the back of your toenail to the front, which at a better angle. And then you just press it until the toenail is securely attached to your toenail. I'm finished with all my toenails, and now all you have to do is go in, take the tab, and just push it back and forth, and then it'll just break off like that, and then you're done. So this is the final look from the Kiss Salon French toenails, and it looks just like I've been to the salon for only $2. Now, to remove these nails, you don't want to pull them off. You want to trim them down as far as possible toward the nail, and then use like an acetone base polish remover to soak your feet in, toenails in, until they will peel off. Some may pop off, but you don't want to peel them off or anything from your toenails. So, but this is the final look. Let me know what you think. Have a good day. Bye bye.